Hello, I'm Brian Cuevas. I'm the Associate Vice President for Research and Innovation at the University of Southern Miss. I manage the Office of Innovation Management. Our role is really to help with industry collaborations, intellectual property management, and innovation programs. One of the innovation programs that we manage is Gulf Blue, and as part of that is the Gulf Blue Navigator, which we're here to talk about today.
Ocean can deploy small autonomous devices that are deployed in large constellations across the ocean for long duration weather, climate and passive monitoring. As a British company that's really looking to expand, we really wanted to meet and kind of get involved with the different hubs of the blue economy across the world. And I'd already known about the area down here for having quite a lot of interesting work going on, and the Gulf Blue Navigator was a really good program in the sense of it got us introduced and connected to all of the key stakeholders in this really important cluster in a really nice, efficient way, and set us up with people that can help us with testing, with deployment, and we're now having 2 of our Sea Stars out on missions along the Gulf Coast, and that's really exciting. If someone expressed interest in the Gulf Blue Navigator, I would definitely encourage them and say it's a really good way to meet lots of different stakeholders in the blue economy in this cluster down here.
Marine C2 specializes in low-cost, ruggedized marine monitoring solutions. Anywhere from ruggedized hardware to deal with the corrosive properties of the marine environment, to software solutions for distilling data-rich, information-poor streams into insights you actually need. During the Gulf Blue Navigator program, Marine C2 has made various connections in the aquaculture space and is hoping to make collaborations for marine monitoring deployments. Additionally, we have several people that have come to us looking for ways to make sense of tons of data that they have collected in the Gulf of Mexico. For anyone interested in participating in the Gulf Blue Navigator program, Marine C2 has found that the experiences throughout the program has given us a lot of exposure in different industries, as well as several connections in those industries too. Anywhere from aquaculture to defense to marine monitoring efforts and port security, Marine C2 has made various connections during this program.
My company is Vauten Systems, and we make autonomous underwater vehicles that are low cost and modular, so they could support a variety of different use cases, whether that's defense or commercial applications. Being a part of Gulf Blue has really opened our eyes to how much our vehicles can contribute to commercial applications like coastal restoration, seafloor mapping, and overall contributing to the blue economy down here in Mississippi.
My name is Kunal Singla. I'm co-founder and CTO at Deepwater Exploration, and Deepwater is developing the next generation of subsea machine vision technology that's redefining what we can see beneath the ocean. What Gulf Blue has provided for Deepwater is the ability to be surrounded by an active community of like-minded blue tech individuals and being able to actively deploy our systems in the water all the time. If someone were interested in Gulf Blue, I would say if you're really serious about making good connections and really accelerating the growth of your company, then this would be a great spot for you.
My company builds automated aquaponic systems. So those are recirculating systems where we raise fish and produce using cutting-edge AI and automation. Aquaponics is actually a great fit for Mississippi and the Gulf Blue Navigator because it involves a blue food. So with aquaponics, we raise fish and produce on a recirculating system. And hydroponics, typically, chemicals are used to provide nutrients for plants to grow. And aquaponics, the fish provide all of those nutrients, and the plants in turn clean the water for the fish. The Gulf Blue program so far has provided us with wonderful experience access to experts in academia, others in industries that are similar to us that we're capable of learning from, as well as mentorship and guidance. In addition to that, our company's based in Oklahoma, so access to resources in Mississippi and new business markets. To someone looking into the Gulf Blue program, I would say it's a very worthwhile experience. You're gonna have an opportunity to learn about a new place. You're gonna have an opportunity to mingle with others in similar industries. And at the end of the day, you're gonna see a new world of opportunities open up to you in the state of Mississippi.
I'm Rob Terry, CEO and founder of Seafood AI. Seafood AI is a sustainable seafood technology company, and we're focused on developing productivity products that help fish and farm more sustainably. And we're doing that in two ways. We're doing that with digital logbooks so that it's easier to record what you catch and grow and be in compliance. And we also have AI biometrics scanners that will scan your actual fish and create digital records. The products that we're creating would be a modern way, being able to create a verification that the fishermen and growers are doing it the right way, and a reward for doing it that way. Everybody benefits. It's a type of problem that can only be solved by lots of people sitting around the table. It can only be solved by a program like Gulf Blue that provides groundwork to be able to reach that high.
So I'm Joel Lawhead. I'm the program manager for the Gulf Blue Navigator, and my job is to take our startup companies from recruitment all the way to demo day and beyond when they do projects and get new customers in our area. So we choose a theme for each session, and this time we chose food security through aquaculture and climate resilience, which are closely linked because climate resilience is necessary to be able to continually grow seafood. So our companies are helping us address the issues of better seafood quality and growing more of it, and then of course also surviving events like hurricanes or oil spills, which we've had problems with in the past.